Question 17. Again, it's a question testing our quality of written communication because it has an asterisk next to the question number. Martha sells jars of jam at a farmer's market. She has 80 jars to sell at £3 each. She sells 50 jars and then reduces the price by 40%. Martha then sells the remaining jars at the reduced price. It costs her £95 to make the jars of jam. Her target is to make a profit of at least £100. Does she meet her target? Now, it clearly says you must show your working. Quality of written communication, very clear, precise working. So, she has 80 jars to sell at £3 each. It's two parts. She sells some jars, she sells 50 of them in fact, at £3 each, and then 30 jars at the reduced price. So, we're going to split it into two parts. The first 50 jars times by £3. So she makes £150 on the first 50 jars. The other 30 jars, because 50 plus 30, 80 jars in total. So we need to work out the reduced price. So 30 jars times by the reduced price. We're told in the question that she reduces the price by 40%. So we need to find what 40% of £3 is. Well, £3 is the same as 300 pence. And we need to find 40% of that. And then to reduce it, we take it off the £3, off the 300 pence. So 10% is equal to 300 pence divided by 10, 30 pence. Doubling it, 20% is equal to 60 pence. So 40% is equal to 60 pence doubled is £1 20 pence. 120 pence, which is the same as £1 20. So we need to take that £1 20 off the £3. So £3 take away £1 20 gives us our reduced price. £3 take away a pound is £2. Take off the 20 pence. £1 80 is our reduced price. Okay, now we've got 30 jars to sell at that reduced price. So 30 multiplied by £1 80. I'm going to split that into two parts. 30 times £1 plus 30 times 80 pence. Okay, 30 times by £1 is £30. Now, 30 times 80 pence, I can do 30 times 80. 3 times 8 is 24. 1, 2 noughts back on. That's in pence. 2,400 pence. To change that into pounds, divide it by 100. Take that 1 nought, 2 noughts, take it off. So £30 plus £24. So those that she sells at reduced price is worth £54. So she takes £150 for the first 50 plus 54 is £204. Okay, now that's what she takes when she sells them. Okay, her profit is the difference between the 204 and the £95 that we're told it costs her to make the jars of jam. So 204 take away 95. Okay, we can do that. If we take away 100 and then add £5 back on, so that answer is £109. That's a profit. Okay, so yes. Okay, she does meet her target.